Do you people know that 50% of students in our country are under depression? 45% of the students of our country, they are under stress. We keep on hearing news every single day. We keep on reading such news. We keep on hearing such news that a 12-year-old girl, she hanged herself because she could not clear a particular examination, or a boy hanged himself because he was not able to get good marks. And I just came across an excerpt from a 14-year-old girl. She must be somewhere in 7th or 8th standard, such a young age. And what she has written in her note is this: if I could not clear this examination, मैं अपनी जान दे दूंगी. अगर मैं ये एग्जाम पास नहीं कर पाई, I will end my life. And that really shook my soul. I started questioning myself. Why is it that we as parents and educators have failed so miserably to make our children, to make our students understand that life is more than marks. Marks is not the end result that you should aim at. Whose fault is this? A 14-year-old girl writing this, whose fault is this? Definitely this is our fault. Definitely we as parents, we as teachers, and we as educators have failed miserably in making them understand that it's okay if you fail in an examination. Life is just not about marks. Life is just not about getting bogged down by a failure, but rather rising above from failures, but rather facing a situation. We have failed. This is our fault that our students are losing their lives every single day. Every day we lose 28 lives in our country. It's a huge number to think upon. 28 lives we lose every single day in our country. Why is it that? Not only this, but as per just a recent survey, India ranked 139 amongst the 149 nations. Yes, amongst the 149 nations, we ranked 139 as the happiest country. Afghanistan, Pakistan, they were way ahead of us. Many small countries, they were way ahead of us. Why is that we as a country so depressed? Why we as a country are so sad? I'll give you the answer. Because we care least about our mental health of our children. We care least about the mindset of our students. We are not bothered about what their mental agility is, what their mental strength is. We are not bothered about it. What we are bothered about is to send our children to a particular coaching institution, to send our children to a particular tuition center. Why? Because every other person is doing it. Every other person around you, they are sending their children to coaching institutions, to tuitions, to everywhere, and we do the same. We are not bothered about, we don't care about what their stress level is. We don't care about what their optimism level is. We don't care about how stressful they are going in their situation. They get stressed out because they don't have the mental ability to carry out the stress. And this is so unfortunate in our country. This is so unfortunate in our homes, that we as parents, that we as educators, that we as teachers don't bother about knowing their mental condition. That's the reason we are losing lives every single day. Last year, we have lost almost 11,000 lives. It's a huge number, and this number is gradually increasing and increasing and increasing. And these numbers will not come down till the time we are ready to change. To change the results in our life, we have to start changing the way we think, the way we speak, and the way we act. And it's high time. I request you parents, I request you humbly, the educators, to not only focus on their marks, on their history, on their SST. Google is also doing that. Google will also tell you any fact that you would want to know. Google is also helping you learn a subject. YouTube is helping you learn a subject. Our role is, as parents and as educators, is to cultivate the character traits, to cultivate the mental strength in our children, that they are ready to face the stress that life will throw at them at a certain point of time. It's a request to please start focusing on your child's mental health, else this number will keep on increasing and increasing and increasing, and we will keep on losing our children every day because of the competition, because of the rat race system that we as society has created, and that we as society should change. It's my request to you people to please start thinking differently, to start speaking differently, and to please start act differently so that we don't lose precious lives of our children every day. Thank you.